Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. I came here to tell you why you are failing on your YouTube channel. The channel that you've created, before you create that channel, you will have a plan how your channel will go. In the next 6 months you'll be monetized. In 3 months time or in 2 weeks time you'll have 1,000 subscribers. In the next 6 months you have 4,000 watch hour, or 3 weeks time. And upon all these your plan that you planned out before starting a YouTube channel, every plan is failing and you have started losing hope. So I'm here to tell you why your YouTube channel is failing. Okay, if this is what you're looking for, please stick on, don't touch your dial. I will be right back. Welcome back again. My name is Patience. If you are failing at YouTube, just watch this. If you're failing at YouTube, it doesn't mean that you are not cut of it. You understand? It likely means you are still figuring out what works on your channel. Even if you're failing, don't be so bad, don't be sad. It doesn't mean that you don't know what you're doing, or what you're doing is not correct, or you're not doing what others are doing. But let's assume, just take it as if you are here to figure what works on your channel. Okay, this is what it means. Yeah, here are some few key things that I map out on what you should look out to know whether you are actually failing. You understand? It's about 7 things that I jotted out. Number one of it is your niche isn't clear enough. All right. Are viewers immediately able to understand what your channel is all about? Before you started your channel, the viewers that be viewing you, did they know exactly what that channel is all about? Do you have a clear niche or a clear focus on that channel? This is what they're saying. Okay, now if your content is too broad or inconsistent, people won't know why they should subscribe. You understand? If you're doing here and there any trending things, you bring it to your channel. Anything, any vlog, anything that's happened to you, you bring it to your channel. YouTube grow, you bring it to your channel. YouTube finances, you bring it to your channel. People doesn't know clearly what your channel is all about. You understand? And this is why your YouTube is failing. You'll be able to figure things out, be able to say this is the YouTube, as in this is what I do on this YouTube. You understand? It's make people to know whether they will, if they come across your channel, whether they will subscribe or they will swipe off. Okay, guys, the second one is your thumbnails and title aren't compelling. Have you checked your thumbnail and your title to know whether they are the cause why your YouTube is not growing, why your YouTube is failing? You understand? No matter how great your video is, if your thumbnail and title don't grab attention or spark curiosity, people won't click. You understand? If you like, let that your content be mind-blowing content. Before people will click on your channel, or before people will click on your video, they will see that thumbnail that will bring them to your YouTube to click, to even know that your video is okay, your video is good. You understand? So make sure that your thumbnail and your title aren't compelling. You understand? In that your thumbnail and your title, drive curiosity on it. Make people have an imagination in their heart to what you will be saying, and it will drive them to click on that video to know exactly what you're talking about. You understand? So the third one is you are not watching your analytics. YouTube gives you chance where viewers drop off in your analytics, what videos perform better in your analytics. Some people, especially new YouTuber, they are not taking notice of the analytics. So maybe watching the analytics for just watching sake, but they are not taking real notice or key points of the analytics, what is happening in that analytics. Okay, because it was there. If you want to know everything about your video that you've posted, is your analytics that will tell you, because there YouTube, they will tell you where your viewers drop off. They will tell you what video perform better. You understand? And when you see any video that perform better, there is no harm in you recreating that such video again. You can recreate it again, make it in another style, since your viewers really love that type of video. There is no harm on it. You understand? It's not a violation. You understand? You recreate that kind of video. So please try to take notice on your analytics. It's very, very good. If you are not reviewing this data, you are flying blind. Exactly. And every day, I have no video on this place that I posted that I'm not emphasizing on that analytics. If you are not reviewing that your analytics every day, you are just posting, you're just wasting your time on YouTube. Because it was that your analytics that will determine what is going on. Is that analytics that will show you whether your video is performing well or whether you are really doing very good on your YouTube channel. Guys, the next one is your hook is weak. Yeah, let's tackle this hook of a thing. You understand? The first 15 seconds of your video determines whether people will stick around. Every YouTube coach is saying this thing. If you couldn't hook your audience in the first 15 seconds, that means that video will flop. Do everything possible to hook your viewers. You understand? Do everything possible for you to hook your audience in the next 15 seconds of your video first. Because that is what your audience is looking out for. What, at least your introduction, what your video is all about, whether they should stay or they should swipe or they should click out. You understand? Make it clearer for them why they should stick around in that 50 seconds. That 50 seconds is everything for you on the video. It's even that 50 seconds will determine whether that video will get recommendation from YouTube or that algorithm will recommend your video. All right, so that is it. Number 5 is you are not publishing enough. Yes, if you're a new YouTuber, you need to publish enough video. It's not really publishing enough video. Publish a video that have focus, a video that people will gain value from. You understand? Consistency build momentum. One video a month isn't enough to grow fast, especially when you are new on YouTube. You understand? When you are consistent on providing value to people, you're consistent on dishing your video to people. You understand? Whenever people want to watch anything, whether you are in entertainment, whether you are in motivational, whether you are in lifestyle, your video must, people must learn something from your video. You understand? So that is why consistency come in play. You know, I told you on my last upload that consistency is not really the growth. Yes, consistency is not really the growth. Why? Because you're just being consistent and posting something that people doesn't gain value from. You understand? When consistency will grow your YouTube channel is when you're doing the right thing, when you're bringing value to the people, when people are looking forward for your next upload. Yeah, that is when you have to be more consistent so that you will not starve your audience. And you uploading video once a month, if you're a new creator, it will not help your channel. It will not. So figure it out. Publish more video to your YouTube channel, okay? The 6th one is you are creating for yourself, not the viewer. This is what at time you are creating for yourself, not the viewer. Let me explain to you. Ask yourself, would a stranger really care about this video? You know, every upload that you made, I said it yesterday, will a stranger care about this video that I uploaded? Will people really watch it? Just ask this thing to ask yourself about this thing. What value does this offer? You understand? You know, when you're on this YouTube, if you're making a video, there are 3 things that will come in mind. There are 3 categories that your video will fall into. Number 1, if your video will be falling into education or entertainment or inspiration. You understand? So these 3 things, your video must fall into these 3 things. So know whether your video is bringing value to your audience. This is what you should ask yourself. So number 7, you expect growth too soon. Yeah, you know, some people, I do said it, a lot of us, we upcoming YouTuber, we expecting when we post video like 50 times that our YouTube supposed to pick our video and make it to go viral. This is not what it is. You understand? You know, continue. The more you stayed on this YouTube, the more you bring relevant things on YouTube, the more you bring value things on YouTube, that is when you have a chance of going viral. You understand? So, you know, most creators doesn't just see real traction until they have uploaded more videos on their channel. Remember, not really uploading more videos though, bringing value video that people will like. You understand? Yeah. Focus videos. That is what they are talking about. It takes time to improve your skills, earn trust, and signal to the algorithm. You know, before algorithm, when you are new on this app, algorithm doesn't, you don't just post one video and the thing start going viral. You must make a video, let algorithm know that you're on YouTube, let algorithm know what your channel is all about. You understand? Because the more video you post, the more algorithm learn what your channel is all about. That is why they tell people pick a niche, because so that the algorithm will know this channel is for so things, this channel is for so things. One day, before you know, you wake up and say that your video has gone viral. Okay, so please, if you're failing on this YouTube, this is my conclusion. If you're failing on this YouTube, please watch it very well. The problem may be from you, because these 7 things, if you are not looking into it, that means there's no heads up on your YouTube channel. Please, I'll come to the end of this YouTube. It's just a short video. The thing just came to my head. I decided to share. Okay, when you come across this video, please make sure that you hit my subscription button. All right, on your notification bell. Whenever I posted a video, you'll be the first to be notified. All right, till I come your way next time. Please don't quit your YouTube. Oh. Don't fail on your YouTube. Continue moving. Don't give up. All right, guys, bye.